Imagine a magical sandbox where you can build and break your WordPress site without anyone noticing a circumflex euros. That's exactly what working offline on your WordPress site gives you. In this quick tutorial, we're going to unlock this power by setting up a local server environment right on your computer. This means you can experiment with themes, plugins, and even core changes without any risk to your live website. No more oops moments or emergency calls. Just pure, safe development. The first crucial step is choosing your local development tool. Think of it as building your own mini-internet on your machine. Popular options are readily available and designed to make this easy. You'll download and install one of these applications. Once installed, the magic begins. You'll create a new site. Within this application, this process is usually guided by a simple wizard. You'll give your site a name, a circumflex euros. Think of this as the address on your local internet, a circumflex euros. And the tool will automatically set up all the necessary components your WordPress site needs to run, like a web server and a database. After a few moments, your brand new local WordPress site will be ready to go. The application will provide you with a unique web address, something like /local, that only you can access. You can then log into the WordPress dashboard just like you would your live site. Now for the best part, you're completely free to install new themes, experiment with different plugin configurations, make content edits, or even test out custom code, all within this isolated environment. See something you like? Great. It's safe. Need to undo something? No problem, your live site remains untouched. When you're happy with your changes and everything is polished, these tools offer simple ways to push your completed work to your live server. It's a seamless transition, ensuring your visitors only see the polished, perfected version. This offline workflow is a game changer for any serious WordPress user.